We are waiting for the strong sell signal now. Right, we got a strong buy. We got our pattern. It made nice profit. And now yeah, we are waiting for a drop now. There might be a double top here, just like it did a double bottom. It will try to do a double top and then again it can drop all the way. So wait until the confirmation. Don't be in a hurry. Right? If you see red candle, don't think that it will drop all the way. So wait for that signal. Right? As long as these E5 and the price pulse are green and blue, that means it is still bullish. When these two become red, that is where we get a strong sell signal. Right? It's okay. You don't need to catch exactly at the bottom. But if you take here, your risk is minimal. Right? This turned green, this turned blue. It came to the bottom, started moving up. Now with bull puts or with a ES long, NQ long, QQQ, bull put, SPY bull put, or even with calls also, it made huge profits. So all we are giving this time for the confirmation. Once you got the confirmation, now you are full con because your T5 is telling it will go up, your price pulse is telling it will go up. You can also see there is a huge buy order block, so buyers are pushing it up. You can see a lot of these boxes. That means a lot of buyers are in the market. So everything matched. Then 99% you will make huge profits. That's why I'm going with 200, 300 contracts. Even a small move will make 5,000, $10,000. In the same way, again it will go up, then start dropping. We'll wait until once it breaks this line, then there can be a huge drop. Do you know that overall in a daily time frame, we know SPX is in a bearish trend. That means it is every day going little bit down like this. But it doesn't mean it will only keep going down. Within that one day, it may go up, come down. But overall, bigger picture is it may go all the way to 56.80 in next 3 4 days. So whenever you get a sell signal, that is much better opportunity. Again, buy also we can get it, but if you get a sell, that is much higher potential. We'll do a setup session today evening. I'll help all the members. So we got the access yesterday or today. You can share with your friends also because there is no competition in trading and we all can make huge money every day. All you do is just even you don't need to watch so many tickers. Just to watch SPX, you can make a huge gains every day with just with because when SPX moves, by QQQ, TQQ, and also if you see Amazon, Amazon also made a same move. Yet if you watch Nvidia, Nvidia also made a nearly same move. Microsoft also made a same move. Apple also making the same move. So if you just watch one ticker, that will help you to take so many trades. So as I said, here it may go all the way here and then drop. Once we see a confirmation, we can take either puts or bear call spreads. Be ready to take bear calls on everything again with SPX, QQQ, SPY, everything should drop. Right now, again, you can see slowly sellers are taking the control. It went all the way up. There is some consolidation now. Sellers are trying to bring it down. Buyers are again trying to take it up. So, yeah, next 5-10 minutes, we will see a drop. Here, if you see green color, that means buyers are in control. If you see red color, sellers are in control. So sellers started taking control. Slowly, if it starts dropping, then we that is a full confirm, right? Otherwise, there might be some choppiness, just like here at the bottom. Buyers took control, sellers took control, buyers took control, sellers took control, buyers, sellers. Finally, buyers took control. Right? There can be some consolidation at the bottom, but we know that already it is oversold. So sellers will be exhausted. Already they were doing a lot of selling, selling, selling. They got exhausted. Buyers took it, then immediately again sellers. So finally buyers again took it. Now buyers got exhausted. Now sellers will start taking the charge and they will try to bring it all the way down. Everything will also drop now. We can do Tesla puts. Tesla options. We can do the call spreads. Tesla. We can sell 390 call and buy 395 call for Tesla. For this Friday. You can collect $250 premium. So, right again, we got our pattern, we got our strong sell. This started dropping. There is a huge sell order block. Overall trend is bearish. Momentum is bearish. So, there is a high possibility for Tesla to come all the way to 390. Right, as I mentioned, if your SPX starts dropping, all these big company stocks will also drop. But Tesla, we can also see sell order block, and it already dropped below this line. So so you can see we got a strong sell. It started dropping. Big sell order block. More and more sellers in the market. Your T5 became red. Your price pulse became red. So your risk is minimal now. So there is very less chance for Tesla to go above 395. So as long as it stays in this range, or if it goes below, you will make nice profits. If it stays choppy, also you'll make profit. It is already we are at a premium zone. So chances are very less for it to go break this and go all the way up. There are a lot of sellers here. So if price goes there, they'll bring it down. Now your risk is minimal. All we want is to make profits. So by buying puts, you have 70% chance. By doing a bear call spread, you have 90% chance. It's better you go with where you have higher chance to make profits. NQ started dropping. You got a strong sell. But there is a buy order block. If that also breaks, then it can come all the way down. The CX is also looking good. Will come all the way till here. The CX. You can buy LRCX 74 put. Exit, then it can come all the way down. Better. Yes. If it breaks this, then it can go all the way to 72.3. Tesla is moving into nice profits. You can also do bear calls for SPX now. You can do bear calls for 58.20, 58.30 bear call, SPX. You can collect around $300. We are holding Tesla bear call spreads, SPX bear call spreads. Everything should move into profits in some time. Right? Some alerts I'll post only in the earnings channel, options channel. You need P5 to know where your P5 is for alerts. P5 is, so for example, if you hit T5, you don't know where, you need both of them. One will tell you where it is. If it is at the top and you get a sell, you can do bear call spreads. Or if it is at the bottom, you get a buy, you can do bull put spreads. Both are important. The KBH can stay between 68 and 65. So we are holding here Tesla bear call spread. We have time until Friday. Please let me know if anyone has any other questions. Yes, yes, please let me know. I can't hear you if you're talking.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, now we can hear you. Yeah, please guide.
No, I wanted to know what was the Tesla spread that you had placed in the order for when you placed it. I didn't get it, so I didn't go with it. So
Oh, we did a bear call 390, 395 because overall, yeah, in last, so if you see in daily, it is still bearish. Tomorrow again, we may see a drop. But we did a 390, 395 bear call spread.
okay, 390, 390. Okay, I didn't get that, so I did not place it. Yeah, I have a SPY put open for 17th post CPI. So hopefully,
Yeah, there is still possibility for a drop. Overall, SPY is bearish. But yeah, in last minute it bounced, but yeah, overall it's still looking bearish.
yeah, okay. So hopefully tomorrow I might get the money.
Yeah, it can go all the way to 570.
Yeah, by
But
7.
it may take another 3 4 days to reach there.
Yeah, I have a 573 put open for 17th Jan.
Yeah, okay. There is yeah, today we got still overall it is bearish.
Mm,
Today in last minute we got some bounce. I don't know if there will be some news or something. Otherwise, we should have seen more drop today.
okay. Yeah, I also took the LRCX puts, but I think
Yeah, that
even that
also should.
also went up.
Yeah, but tomorrow again it will drop. So again, that's a small bounce. We have time until Friday.
Yeah. So,
It was in profits, but we did not book small profits because overall still it is very bearish. It can come all the way to 69.
mm, okay.
So
So that's open from your side also, right?
yeah, yeah,
Okay. All right. Thank you.
sure. Yeah, check with it.
Sure. Actually, I thought of checking with you regarding the TikTok trader account, and I got the subscription of the weekend with the what we call like trade fund account.
Mhm.
From morning, I was trying to do it, didn't allow me for some reason. It keeps saying that it's not allowed. Again, I got another message saying like you need to have market data. I'm like, I
Is
was
it for
waiting on. Mhm.
Tick Tick Trader or for
Yeah, this is
Tradify?
for TikTok trader. This is for TikTok trader, right?
Did
So
you complete all the Trader process? Credential? Did you complete
I
all?
I did everything. It even allowed me to log in, and yeah, just want to cut the story short is like, um, I kind of waiting on you for the 5 o'clock, and I opened a support request, and somebody respond to me like 10 minutes back, and without my knowledge, I think they started working out. Because I'm using the replicant too, I kind of did the setup, and
Okay.
it started working. I just noticed right before you're asking, hey, you have any questions? I noticed that, oh, my replicant already did some trades and I made like $500 on that one. Um, that's the question I have. But I want to check. Did you notice this behavior? Like, can I share my screen, Kishore? Just want to check something because I'm planning to buy a couple more accounts on TikTok Trader. Let me share my screen. Okay. Where is this? Sorry, I lost it. Can you read it again? Can you see my screen? Or am I supposed to? How am I supposed to do? Share, share, and I'm going to use screen one. Can you see my screen? So basically, yeah. I was trying to validate this, Kishore. Like yesterday, I bought this over the weekend, and I saw your deal, the one you posted this morning. Anyway, I paid $50 more. So when I go to the actual TikTok trader dashboard, it is not showing anywhere. I have to go into this dashboard, then look actually. Is this something you are seeing from your side? Because I know you already have TikTok, is this
Mhm.
the crypto thing?
Right. Yeah.
So that, yeah, this got me very nervous because I, from morning it didn't allow me, so I got concerned, and this morning itself, someone respond to me saying yeah, they just respond saying like, I don't know what they did it, but they kind of will work it out. I was able to ask the question, and then I learned this morning. It keep rejecting in the morning, and the last trade I was working on ESNQ, and the last trade worked out good. So
Yeah. Nice.
that's the one thing. So
You were able to
yeah.
use Apex today?
I am.
Mhm.
I kind of use the Apex Trader too. So this is my second day. I mean, like, to be frankly, honestly, I have traded before. I kind of didn't learn the consistency rule, and I blown up three of my accounts without my knowledge. So again, this morning I kind of took the another Tradify account, and I'm trying to, up to $1,000. Then I'm stop replicating it. But at Apex Trader, I got like three accounts just for testing. So this is only for, it's 7 days, right? So I'm
Right.
trying to reach the mark, and then later on the next 5 6 days I want to cool down on this thing. So my main focus was to, it costed me three Tradify accounts to learn the consistency rule, but which is okay. So that's the reason I want to buy. I saw your deal this morning, so it's good to buy one more. So yeah,
Right.
that's what I was trying.
Yeah. Tick Tick
Yeah.
is also
And
a good one. Yeah. And yeah, good to see. So are you using the same strategy which I shared, or
I'm using the same strategy what you shared me, but I was actually following the let me pull my trading view down. I just want to ask you because I know I joined the call yesterday, but I missed it. I just saw this morning your message about the T double five. But the only thing, right? I'm kind of a little familiar. So what I started doing is I am following your triangle red and blue. But again, because I blow up my account, right, going high and low. But I was making sure I'm just making sure that price pulse and the T5 on these conditions, only these conditions. Apart from that, I am not doing anything. That's what I did this morning from morning.
okay? If T5 is green and price pulse is blue, you're going long.
Wrong, and especially like from Australia, right? I'm making sure
Mm.
that I'm watching this thing. I was not paying attention on the triangle, but that gave me, and again, right? Even though irrespective of all these are matching, if I'm near to any, let's say if I got a long, right, and if I see any order block, I'm kind of holding it off. Before I used to jump in because price was showing good, T5 showing good. Sometimes you wait, right, to see if it's going to change there. But this is where I'm doing scalping, just jump in. And if the price goes here, I'm selling it off. I'm just trying to see the next candle if it's coming down. And if it's coming down and everything is still, in the indicator, right, then I'm again re-entering the same, NQ and try to scalp out like $100, $200, $300. That's how I'm doing it. I don't know if it's a good trade in the futures or, but yeah, I was trying to make the profit first, like $300, that give me confidence that I can go a little bit more loose in case even everything is showing good, right? So that's how I'm doing all my trades. Let me quickly show you. You can suggest me if I do here, right? Let's say if you see here, right, my NQ here, you know. I'm buying it like this thing, and quickly, if you see all mine, I'm doing scalping, like making some money, coming down, and if the candle is showing down, then again I re-enter it. If you see here, right,
Right. Right.
7 and 6. So once it comes to 66, I am re-entering it again, and quickly, you know, coming out with $100 or $200. So I was doing
Yeah,
that
that's
before, but I was not paying attention. So yeah, it's a good thing. I just need to submit the Google form sheet for you to give me the indicators, which I'm on the five indicators, but I need to submit that.
sure, sure. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. We have to always, yeah, if it is bullish, if both are green and blue, wait for a pullback
Yes.
and you can keep taking. Yeah. Once you take it, again, every red candle, that's a good opportunity when both T5 and price pulse are bullish.
I'm kind of completely doing this bearish signal here because I'm focusing on the triangle. This is a new one, and the order blocks or sell blocks. So that's how I'm kind of it gave me a little confidence. I mean, like it can't be the same day every day. It's gonna take some time, but yeah, it just gave me a little bit confidence in taking the trade. Obviously, when you're positive, right, you feel good, but you have to be cautious. So that's what I'm trying to practice right now.
Good. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
That's all I have, Kishore. And I think I'll submit the Google Sheet to change that or give me. I need two changes, Kishore. I need that
Yeah,
stock.
you can put
Yeah, I'll
it in
submit
the.
it. Yeah. hmm Thank you.
Sure. Hey, Pratik.
Hey, Kishore. So I have this one. So yesterday I started using I opened the 150K Tradify account and
Mm.
I made some profit yesterday.
Okay.
So it says that it's like so two questions. Right? The first thing is I have to make 10 days complete the 10 days challenge, and then so it's a sim funded account. So I'm assuming still it will be paid out, right?
If there's a sim funded, yeah, you'll get payout.
Okay. Okay. So that is my one question. And the other thing is on the trading view, right? So I was using the market buy and market sell only. Uh,
Mm. Okay. What is your question? Pratik, we can't hear you. Srivani, do you have a question? Yeah, Pratik, sorry. Yeah, you can repeat your question again.
okay. So what my question is, so um, so I was not, I don't know how to make, I'm using trading view to place the orders. How do I place the limit orders? For example, something I'm seeing, I made it probably, I want to, instead of buying at market price, I wanted to buy it only when it hits some price so that I can make more profits, right?
Can you share your screen?
Oh, okay. So I'm actually just stepped out, so I'm not in front of my computer.
Yeah,
Uh,
okay. You can join in the evening setup session or sometime when you are before systems. I'll explain you how to take the limit order.
okay. Yeah, sure. Okay. So that's one thing.
Uh,
And the last question is this T55 indicator in the morning. You explained about it, right? So T55. So I'm on the three indicators plan. So do I get to T55 or it is okay to be with the T5 and price pulse and the top trend?
Yeah, it's up to you. T55 directly gives you the strong buy, strong sell, which will help you. It will check both price pulse and T5, and then it will check.
Okay.
So either you can remove top trend and use T55, or you can move into 5 indicator plan.
Okay. So I'm already subscribed to that plan. Can I now switch to 5 indicator plan and get the T55 and probably one more indicator?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
So maybe can you send me the steps or the Google form and I can make the payment on the 5 indicator plan, switching it to.
sure, Pratim. Yeah, I'll let you know.
Okay. Thanks, Kishore.
Yeah. Srivani, do you have any questions?
Yes, Kishore. So, couple of questions. So, when you're buying, which candle should we look at? The 5 minute candle? Because, yeah, you said the T5 should be at the bottom for you to uh, make a call, or probably when it's going down, we can actually buy puts. So which candle should we look at? The 5-minute candle, or 1 day candle, or a 2-minute candle while buying?
For day trading, we'll use 5 minutes candle. Right, if we are mainly doing for prop firms or we want to do SPX, bear calls or bull puts or anything, we generally use the 5 minute candle.
Even for selling?
Yeah, whether we are doing, even for selling also, we can use 5 minutes.
Okay. And the second question I have is, I'm pretty new to the bear calls or bull puts that you're talking about. So how do you analyze the range of when you're doing a bear call or a bull put?
Generally, for example, you are at a bottom, right? Let us say you are at 59.20 and you have a big buy order block there,
Okay.
right? Then what you can do is go one strike above from 58.20. You sell the 58.25 or 58.25 put and you buy one strike below 58.15 put. Right?
So,
It came your T5 came all the way to the bottom
right,
and it is trying to go up again.
right,
And then so now you got that strong buy from the T55.
right.
So let us say now your SPX is at 58.20, the current price.
Okay,
So what you are doing, you are selling 58.25 because now it came all the way to the bottom. We are expecting it will go above 58.25. It may go to 58.30, 58.37 or something.
okay.
So if you are selling 58.25 and then as a hedge, as a protection, we are also buying another put.
Right,
So because if you have to just to sell, you need to have very big account. But if you are doing a sell and also a buy, even if you have a small account, you can do bull puts.
okay.
And also it will act as a protection. Suddenly there is some bad news, some war news or anything. Suddenly if market suddenly dumps, then you have protection at the bottom.
Okay.
So
So
your
if the
loss will
price is at 58.20, so you sell it at 58.25 and you buy it at 58.15.
right. That is our spread. 58.25, 58.15.
Okay. And while you're trying to exit out of those, so the one that you bought, you should sell it, correct?
Yeah, basically both. The combination will sell it.
Uh, yeah, I'm actually trying to do it from my Fidelity account. So it's showing as two individual orders, not just one single order.
So they don't have anything like vertical spread or something.
They don't have a spread, they have a straddle kind of. So they have four vertical kind of buy calls, buy puts, sell calls, sell puts.
I think you have to change it to a spread. I think you can talk because I never use Fidelity. I use IBKR or Thinkorswim. So
Okay,
in both those platforms, you can just do one trade. You're opening one trade, you're closing one trade. You don't need to do two different transactions to open and two different transactions to close.
yeah, I think on the other day I was actually doing that bull put, and then I actually bought again instead of selling it, or something reverse happened, and then
Right.
yeah, I
Initially,
mean,
we collect the premium by buying it, and then we sell it. We sell the entire spread by buying at a lower price. For example, initially you collect $500.
hmm,
Then later you may buy it at $200 after some time, like that.
yeah, okay. So I may need to look into how the Fidelity will work then.
Right. You can go to YouTube and just do how to take a spread in Fidelity. You may
Okay,
have some videos,
all
or
right,
you just call to the Fidelity customer service. I think in the option chain, you need to change option strategy and strike price. Yeah, one of the members is suggesting that you have to change option strategy from calls or puts to you have to change it to a spread. Or yeah, just if you watch that video or just call any customer support,
sure. Hmm.
they will help you to explain each and every step.
Okay.
Or in the evening in the setup session, you can share your screen. I'll help you to explain how to do that.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, Hamsini, do you have any questions? Jagdish, do you have any questions?
Yeah, Kishore. So I'm waiting for those indicators, Kishore. I need
Yeah, I'll share a form. You have to just fill that form,
Okay.
and then you'll receive it.
Okay.
Channel.
And also to get familiar with these indicators, like is there any such video to go through that? I'm pretty much new and I'm trying to get familiar with these indicators.
Yeah, there are videos which explains how to use them. I'll share those videos.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, Kiran, do you have any questions?
Hi, Kishore.
Yeah, Kiran.
Can I
Please come.
share my screen? Can you give me access to share my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Kishore, again, regarding this is an options on the stocks point of view.
Just in case I want to check something else later on.
So,
Yes. Yeah, your voice is breaking.
yeah, is it okay now?
Yeah, it is okay now. Yeah.
Yeah. So I bought these two spreads. One
Mhm.
is line, one is
Mhm.
KPH.
Right.
And now, okay, how do I hide this?
Now we have time until Friday on both.
Correct. So now, once you say like let's now take the profits or close this one.
Mhm.
So I have to go here and close this, or what I have to do?
Yeah, basically you sell it. When you are buying it, you are collecting the premium.
Yeah, that I got it here. To both of for these two, I got the premiums here.
Right. And then when you sell it, you will buy back at a lower price. For example, today you collected for $28.
Yes.
Right. Tomorrow when it drops right, KBH, there is a huge sell order block.
Mm-hmm.
So it may go a little bit up and then drop. Then we'll buy back at a lower price. Or if it stays below 65, then we can even just let it expire by itself.
Okay, but if it goes below, then I have to close this one, right? Like so, all I just need to do and close this entire section.
Right. Or you can just click on sell. Either you can close or you can sell.
Oh, I can click on sell and then get it in time. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, Kishore. That's it.
Yeah. Arun, do you have any questions?
Yeah. Kishore, that SPX 593020, I closed with the final one. So sometimes where we need to figure the exit, okay, I need to make here instead of waiting someplace.
The triangle, right? If we get a green triangle, or if you see a big buy order block, we can close it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because we hold it right for a little bit longer.
Right. Right. Yeah, we held it. We expected a drop, but in last minute it bounced back.
Okay. So that type of thing, it will close for the full money, the difference.
Right.
Okay. If we are not closing it, it will auto close it with that one, or we need to
Yeah, it
close it.
will auto close. Yeah. If we
Yeah.
don't close, we will auto close it. If it was below 50, yeah, 58.30, we'd have made gains. But yeah,
Yeah,
last.
that I understand. Sometimes it will, but here
Mm,
I'm trying to understand how to keep a exit strategy here, because uh,
right. There was a big buy order block in last minute. So if we see a buy
oh,
order block,
that's happened in the last minute. Okay, okay, okay.
yeah.
Okay, fine. Because I took that the only trade I took today. So
Yeah, okay, that's the only trade we lost today. Everything else
yes,
we
yes,
made
that's
money.
like I told, right. Nowadays, at least I'm after a long time I'm looking into all the things today. That okay, I'll take this one. So
Yeah, it happens, but yeah, tomorrow again you can cover it.
yeah. That I understand. The only thing is, I'm trying to understand. Okay, the green indicator, if it's pretty much that goes, we'll take bull puts, right? If it's going up.
Right. If it comes all the way to the bottom and starts moving up, then you take bull put, then yeah, your risk is minimal.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's the only thing, Kishore. And Kishore, I have one more question. If it's that yellow line, whatever going solid line, that's 200 moving average, right?
Right.
Okay. So Tesla also is a similar one, right? We have the bear cow, bull puts.
Yeah, but we have time for Tesla. We have time until Friday. So
Okay.
yeah, it can drop again tomorrow morning.
Okay. Okay. Thanks, Kishore. That's other two items.
Yeah.
Kishore, Chandru here. Can I talk?
Yeah.
Hey Kishore, first of all, thanks so much. I have totally appreciated it, right? See, one of the things is there, if you can give, some sort of, SPX trades which are doing really good, right? Those spreads, the QQ ones, probably close to the session where we can take it and probably sell the next day. That'll help a lot, because for people like me, I have a restriction with respect to day trading, so that'll be really helpful, is my thought.
Yeah, sure, Chandra. Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes what happens is if there is any major news event or something, suddenly market can turn from bullish to bearish. That's the reason we try to most of the time we try to close, right, especially with the indices.
Got
For
it.
yeah, stocks, we know if we know Tesla is overall in a bearish trend, we can hold until we have time until Friday. But SPX, such type of things, sometimes sudden, or it may drop all the way till tomorrow morning. Suddenly, once market opens, it can suddenly go up or something.
Understood. Understood. And another one, both on the same lines as well. The earnings alerts are pretty good, right? Where we can take it on one day and do it the next day. Yeah, something like that. If it's there for the others, also are very good, because again we are still working, right? So it's difficult for us to follow, buy it on the same day, sell it on the same day. So that's one of the challenges I have. So thought of letting you know.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hey, Kalyan, do you have any questions?
Yeah, hey Kishore, can you hear me?
Yeah, please go ahead.
So I asked you this question yesterday in one of the sessions, but probably missed it. The T55 indicator, the one you're talking about now, is it something you're replacing the top trend, or is it something you added new, or?
So it is up to each user, right? As I said,
Uh-huh.
it is up to you on, right. You can just use top trend and make profits, or you can use T5, T55 price pulse combination. You can make profits. So it is up to you. Whichever you feel that combination is working good or is easy to use, you can use that combination and
No. I
make.
mean, my question was because I think I'm on a 5 indicator plan.
Right.
I took the price pulse, stop trend, T5, and maybe a couple of other things. So
Right.
55 is different from top trend price pulse, or is a combo of both and into one, or
So T55 is like a combination of price pulse and T5.
oh, price pulse and
So
T5.
it checks if price pulse is bullish and T5 is bullish, then it will give a strong buy.
Oh, I see. Okay. Got
If
it.
T5 and price calls both are bearish, T55 will give a strong sell.
So if we switch if we get the T55, then we don't need to enable the top trend and price pulse both. We can use that one and then go with it, right then.
You don't need top trend,
Okay.
but price pulse will help you whenever you get a strong buy on T55. And you
Right.
also see big buy order blocks or green fair value gaps. That means it
Yeah.
is really a very good opportunity.
Right. Okay. Can I switch the indicators? I think I put some random ones for the other two. Can I switch to the T55?
Yeah. And that's why I shared the Google form in the channel. You can just mention there, and
Okay.
yeah, we'll
Sure.
monitor.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Hey, Isha, do you have any questions? No, I can't hear you if you're talking.
Hi, Kishore, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So I have a question regarding, so first of all, wanted to thank you for all the trainings and everything. So one question I have is, so if any particular trade going against us,
Right.
do you manage it or do you let it like take loss? So for example, today, like whatever the last trade, the bear call, it went
Right.
opposite, right? So did you try to roll it tomorrow or is it like you let it expire?
No, I took a small position for that because, yeah, so I let it take the loss because already I ended up more than 50-60K today with all the initial trades. And
Okay.
then this one I took a because, yeah, until last minute it was going up and down. Suddenly in last 5 minutes it bounced back, last 5-10 minutes.
Okay. So in those situations, you are not taking like stop loss kind of thing, or you're just like letting it expire. Whatever.
Yeah, right,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, got it. And some situations like now you are seeing um so like all the setup is good, but it tries to do like the double bottom or double top, right?
Right.
So you are
But
are
some
you
may
waiting?
not every time it will do. That's the problem, right? Sometimes
Okay.
it may directly go without doing a double bottom.
Oh, okay.
So when it comes to the bottom and starts moving up, if you do a bull put spread, so even if it comes down and again if it goes up, you have low risk.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, because not every time if it does double bottom, then we don't have a problem. We can always wait for the second retest of the support.
Okay, got it. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you so much, Kishore.
Yeah, if there are no other questions, we'll again talk in the evening at around 7 p.m. If anyone has any setup questions or we'll see if any metals are looking good. Again, if I follow that strategy, I know SPX, I took it even before it hit the right up. There was that biggest buy order sell order block at the top. We should have waited until that. That would have also made huge gains if we waited until that. But yeah, other than that, if we stick to the strategy, definitely it will make gains in all the other scenarios we did. Yeah, you can just go to any chart, look for that pattern, and you can see that whenever that pattern happened, then we'll add that too. Especially if you do bull puts, when it comes to the bottom, you do bull put. When it goes to the top, you do bear calls. Then 90-95% will make profits. Okay, well, talk to you in the evening. A nice rest of the day.